Hey everyone, welcome back to the HZ English Pod. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Today we're going to help you talk about your daily routine in English.
This is super useful for conversations with friends, colleagues, or when you're traveling.
And we'll keep it simple and practical. Ready? Let's go.
So, Sophie, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m. My alarm goes off and I hit snooze once. What about you?
I'm terrible. I hit snooze 3 times. Then I finally get out of bed.
After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel fresh.
Same here. Then I make coffee. I can't start my day without coffee.
For me, it's tea. Green tea with honey. Then I check my phone for messages.
Notice how we use simple present tense here? I wake up, I brush my teeth, I make coffee. This is perfect for talking about habits.
Exactly. Now let's talk about breakfast. I usually have toast with eggs. Quick and easy.
I'm a cereal person. Sometimes I have fruit with yogurt if I have time.
Then I get dressed, grab my bag, and head to work around 8:30.
I take the bus to work. The journey takes about 20 minutes.
I drive. The traffic can be bad, but I listen to podcasts, so it's okay.
So, what does your workday look like?
I start work at 9. First, I check my emails and make a to-do list.
That's smart. I just dive straight into meetings. Not the best approach.
In the morning, I usually focus on important tasks when my energy is high.
Good tip. Around noon, lunchtime. What do you do for lunch?
I bring lunch from home most days. I eat at my desk or sometimes in the park.
I go to a nearby cafe with colleagues. We chat about work or life.
After lunch, I always feel a bit sleepy. Do you?
Oh, yes. The afternoon slump. That's why I have coffee at 3 p.m.
Me too. That little energy boost helps me finish the day strong.
My workday ends at 5:30. Then I head home.
Mine too. The evening commute is always busier than the morning.
When I get home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes.
Same. I put on sweatpants and a t-shirt. So much better than work clothes.
Then I decide what to do for dinner. That's always the big question.
If I'm tired, I order takeout. But usually I cook something simple like pasta or stir fry.
I meal prep on Sundays, so I just heat up leftovers. Saves so much time.
That's clever. After dinner, I relax. Maybe I watch TV or read a book.
I like to go for a walk or play video games. It helps me unwind after work.
Around 10 p.m., I start my bedtime routine. I take a shower and brush my teeth.
I do the same. Then I set my alarm for the next day.
I usually go to bed around 11. I need my 8 hours of sleep.
I try to sleep by 11:30, but sometimes I stay up too late scrolling on my phone.
Bad habit, Liam.
Let's quickly recap some useful phrases. I wake up at. I usually have for breakfast. I take the bus, drive, to work. I start work at. I have lunch at. After work I. In the evening I go to bed around.
These simple phrases will help you describe your entire day.
Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments, tell us, what time do you wake up and what do you have for breakfast?
We read all your comments and we love hearing from you.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next video. Bye!